Hi, welcome to KCAN's Well Spikes. Again, we are coming out with a round of Sunday sound suggestions, wherein we recommend you about short-term and long-term recommendations. Apart from this, we are also getting requirement from many of our customers stating that we are very scared to get into stocks. Why don't you suggest something else? We are suggesting mutual funds, and we can suggest you fantastic funds. If you want to know more about our mutual funds, you can WhatsApp us in the number given in the description. We can give you the required solutions. That's actually one thing. And number two, this time if you see, you will see a lot of small cap stocks. Apart from that, unlike the last time, this time you will see some of the good stable boys also, big boys also, as a part of our recommendation. And apart from that, if you are keeping a track of our earlier recommendations that we gave, for example, DCM Shriram Industries, which we recommended at 280 3 weeks back, is now at 420. Please make a note. Apart from that, BN Rathi Securities, which we recommended at rupees 32 weeks back, is at 39 now. So if you keep a track of our videos, that's more than sufficient for you to do your trading and investments. So we need your support. Please do like, please do comment. We'll also reply to all your comments. Subscribe and please share our videos also with your friends. And please do click on the bell button to receive alerts of our further videos. Now we will get to the main pointers for this week. DCM Shriram Industries we have covered. BN Rathi Securities we have covered. Reliance Industries, the big boy, is back in news. There's a lot of good news happening here. The induction of Aramco chairman on its board signals its commitment to energy. This is a major announcement in the 44th AGM. And this is a multi-bagger. This is no more a petrochemical company like those days. This share must be held. Reliance is a multi-bagger. This must be held. Next one is Ajuni Biotech. It's a small cap cattle feed company. The share is available at around 56, doing quite well. Okay. The understanding, they have a tie-up with Patanjali for sale of its entire output. That's a very good news for the script. Buy. That's our recommendation. There is RTN Power. It's working on full capacity and its overdue loans have been restructured. And now it will be doing quite well. You can buy. Then we'll proceed to NMDC, a government company. This has done quite well. Since iron ore prices are still rising, this can still do better. You can add this. Omax Autos. You know, their Q4 result was quite good, 9.44 EPS in spite of the lockdown. Now the lockdown is getting released. Auto sales is now picking up. This small cap auto ancillary stock will do well, must be added. Then comes VST Tillers Tractors. You know, EPS skyrocketed to 14.97 while compared to the negative of 3.91. That kind of growth it gave. Calls for immediate buying. Even other numbers, financial numbers are quite good. Next is M&M, very stable organization, a group as such, because you know, it also has many subsidiaries and investments in various sectors. So this should be added. Then comes a double recommendation of Cadila and Bayer. We'll tell you why. They both have extended their JV partnership for 3 years in the wake of booming pharma industry. You can add both. Then comes JSW, cement. Cement demand is good. That too, they are into this ready-mix concrete business, which is having a wonderful demand. Please add. Tech Mahindra. Next one. 5G traction. Lot of orders they have received due to this. The share can easily jump 30% in a short time. Accumulate. That's a recommendation. Next is a very stable company, Indian Bank. They have got a private placement, you know, 1,650 crore capital infusion via the QIP route. Okay. This is a long-term bet. The share is on a comeback trial and can be safely added with a horizon of 3 years. Next is a good gas company doing quite well. Good revenues generated, numbers are good. Its profits may rise further in the next few quarters. Good recommendation for a long-term share. Then is Thermax, a wholly owned unit, has won 250 crore order. That too for a sulfur recovery unit of Greenfield Refinery in South America. Recommendation is add. Ineos Trilutions India. Okay, with robust demand of strain products and high market prices, it may post FY22 EPS of 200 plus. Fantastic numbers. The share has all the potential to touch 2000 mark. Buy. Ganesh Benzoplast, even though it's a small cap, manufacturer of exporter of food preservatives, lubricant additives, which could lead to FY21 EPS of rupees 9. Buy for 30% gain. Amarjyoti Spinning, producer of variety of yarns, which could lead to FY21 EPS of rupees 25. Numbers are very good. On a small equity, 6.8 crore, this is what I said. On a very small equity, this is just a small cap, doing so well. The share is expected to cross rupees 200 mark. Accumulate. Whenever you see dips in the share, please accumulate. GNFC again posted no good numbers, has posted 29% higher Q4 EPS if you see. And apart from that, the share which made a lifetime high of rupees 548 in 2017 has a potential to touch 550. It can even cross the earlier high. You can accumulate in dips. Next one is Asian Granito. It is exporting to over 100 countries. Numbers are very good. The share which made a lifetime high of 617 could cross 300 now shortly. Accumulate. Good opportunity. IIFL Securities, more of a very stable operator. They have expanded into other finance related verticals also. Finance numbers are quite good. They are into offline and online also. They are expanding either way. You can comfortably buy this for a 40% gain. There is a Chennai based director on board. They are growing quite well, both horizontally and vertically. Next is Securities and Intelligence Services. Numbers are good. Clients are opting for technology, and the economies of opening post-COVID is augmenting a buy recommendation for 30% gain. Next is Anup Engineering. Earlier also we had tracked this. This has not done quite well, even though it's a small cap. And if you see here, has notched Q4 EPS of rupees 27, which could lead to FY22 EPS of 80. Please make a note. The share can appreciate 50% going ahead. Please buy. Next is Talbros Engineering, leading manufacturer of axle shafts for OEMs, and has 4 plants with an installed capacity of 30 lakhs. The share made a lifetime high of 824 in 2017. Now it can even touch comfortably 500 in medium term. Buy. Then comes Mangalam Cement, a very stable operator, part of BK Birla Group. 135% Q4 EPS of rupees 13.6 and 41% higher FY21 EPS of 44. Fantastic numbers. A PE of 10x can take the share price to 440 in the medium term. Buy. Escorts Limited, in tractor industry, due to this monsoon, again this industry is supposed to do well, because already you can see the numbers are quite good. Buy cash rich Escorts available at a mouth-watering price. The current valuation is very cheap. With this good monsoon, the numbers will be again good for this quarter and the next quarter again. Again, you can see a good escalation. Next is Sun TV. The political climate in Tamil Nadu is quite good, supporting Sun TV. Ad revenue will be raising. Sun TV network will shine. We can buy blindly. Centrum Capital is again the dream of Jaspal Bindra to own a bank. That's how this organization was born. RBI has already granted the approval, and Bindra has this experience of heading Standard Chartered Bank. Buy Centrum at every decline for multi-bagger gain. At every dip you can buy this. This is a potential multi-bagger. Then comes Tata Steel. The big bull RJ has betted no big time on this stock. And the MD Mr. TV Narendran is also gung-ho about the stock. Steel price is already raising up. The next 10 years this script will do well due to the good cycle of steel for the next 10 years. And the recommendation is the stock trades cheap at a very, very reasonable price at a PE multiple of 5x and can easily double. Next is TVS Sri Chakra, Southern Star, operating quite well. Major hold in the two-wheeler segment as such. Valuation is quite good, damn cheap I will say. It's a bargain, it's available for a song. You can buy now, right now. Then comes Ampere Vehicles. The government policy is now supporting Ampere Vehicles, and this stock has given a multi-year breakout of 4 years. This is a very strong recommendation. Buy for a target of rupees 260. Next comes Aditya Birla Fashion. Aditya Birla Fashion, they own all big brands like Alan Solly, Van Heusen, and it has got all the numbers there in place, and added to the F&O segment gives the stock the necessary trigger to play the value unlocking theme. We give a recommendation to buy for a target of 300. Summit Securities, the holding company of Harsh Goenka Group, again a very stable operator. Numbers are good. Buy at rupees 615 for a target of 900. Then comes UFO Movies India. India's largest cinema advertising platform that reaches almost 200 crore viewers. With this unlocking and with all these movie theaters getting opened up, a lot of business will go up and numbers will also go up in the coming quarters. Ace investor Vallabh Bansali holds a good stake. We are recommending this for 2x returns. Next is Arrow Granite. Has notched 489% higher Q4 profit. Okay, so we are recommending this for a decent gain in short term to medium term. Then comes Samkirk Pistons. With robust prospects in the auto sector, with good numbers to support, you can grab it before it jumps again. Available, 50% dividend is also there for you. Then comes Alphagio, largest onshore integrated seismic service provider in private sector. Posted good numbers and declared 80% dividend. Recommendation is traded in 4 figures in 2017 and now it's at 296. Raising demand for crude augurs well for this company. You can add. Then comes Panasonic Energy. The share is available at a very attractive price. Valuation is damn cheap and around at rupees 251 come 80% dividend. Please buy this for multi-bagger returns in medium to long term. If you have any further queries on your trading and investments, please do send us a message to our WhatsApp number given below in the description. Thank you so much for staying back. Bye-bye. We'll come out with more stock and investment related videos. Bye-bye. Thank you.